Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you One UI 8.5 new Samsung clock UI and new features. So let's begin. Okay, look at this One UI 8.5 clock. First, look at this downside beautiful toggles. Look at this background. This is little bit gray background compared to One UI 7. Okay, let me show you in bright mode. Now look at this guys, in background little bit colors are visible. Okay guys, let me show you wall clock. I just tap on wall clock and look at this animation in background, and this is completely in new UI. If I plus locations, now tap on add and look at this guys, middle option. This is time zone converter. This is new option added after One UI 8.5. Now look at this. This is real time world clock. Guys, if you want to check real-time difference of many different countries, then look at this bottom side and you check real-time difference of different countries. This is new feature after One UI 8.5 in clock. Now let me show you in bright mode. Look at this animation. Now stopwatch. Look at this stopwatch in completely new UI. You also change stopwatch UI like this. Look at this color in background. Now timer. Guys, this is timer UI, and look at this option shape convert into capsules. In previous version One UI 8, this is in circle shape, but after One UI 8.5 this is in capsule shape, and this option little bit upside compared to One UI 8. And guys, look at this setting. This is One UI 8.5 clock setting. This is brand new One UI 8.5 clock UI and new features. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.